Hi, welcome to another Sunnyside Design video. I'm Steph.
And I am Michelle, and today we are going to share with you bathroom Christmas decorating ideas, and we want to thank Samodra for sponsoring this video today. The first area that I'd like to decorate in my bathroom is above this beautiful vintage mirror. I first placed a couple of command hooks on either side of the mirror, and then I was able to take this beautiful flocked garland and drape it over the top of the mirror and then hook the stem of the garland on each of those command hooks. A quick and easy bathroom Christmas decorating idea is to just spruce up the decor that you already have in your bathroom by simply adding this simple Christmas candle ring to this little vignette here. It looks festive and ready to greet holiday guests. For the vignette on the other side of the vanity, I'm going to first place down a wood charger, and I picked up that at World Market. I will link that for you in the description. And then I'm actually going to reuse a pot that is actually for Easter. I'll just turn the bunny head towards the back, and then I filled it with a artificial Christmas tree. And then I've added also a wonderful smelling scented soap that's from Bath and Body Works, and then my little Santa, and then complete the look there with a red towel. If you're enjoying this video with ideas for decorating your bathroom for the Christmas season, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I purchased this flocked garland at the end of the Christmas season last year, and that is a great time to pick up new decor is when it's clearanced at the end of the season. I will link some similar garlands in the description if you're looking for a beautiful flocked garland. We didn't stop decorating here at the vanity in the bathroom. Come on into the other section of my bathroom and see how we decorated it for the Christmas season. Usually I don't spend too much time decorating around my toilet, but this post is sponsored by Samodra, and they gifted us this bidet to try out and review, and we just want to share how easy it is to install to any toilet. The Samodra bidet has push button controls, and it remembers the pressure and setting that you like for either the front or rear spray. We have actually really loved the features of this little bidet. It's not expensive to add to your bathroom, and it really does upgrade it. This bidet would make a great Christmas gift, and you'll find the link for it in our description. Bringing in some fun holiday art into your bathroom can really give it that Christmassy holiday feel. And then why not bring in another bit of greenery with a faux tree, and then change up your towels with some colorful red towels for the season. And the final element that I'm going to add to this towel rack is just a small pine wreath. If you'd like to see how we made this towel rack from just a regular shelf, you'll find the link to a blog post on that in the description. Now I'm going to decorate the shelves above the toilet. I'm first going to bring in some more red towels, and then just a simple wreath that I'm going to place in front of the lantern, and a little elf, and a little bit of Christmas toilet spray. For more ideas for decorating your home for Christmas, please tap the link above. We hope you found some great ideas for decorating your home and your bathroom for Christmas this season. And if you are looking for a great Christmas gift idea, you might want to take a look at this bidet again from Samodra. The link will be in the description section. And thanks for watching a Sunnyside Design video where we hope to bring your home to the sunny side of the street.